Hello, welcome to day 3 of Module 6, Wednesday, October 28th. So as you know, it is Wednesday. It is an async day. That means we will not meet together on Zoom as a class. Let's see what async activity you have for today. First, you'll watch this video. Then you'll click async. You have 3 activities to do. You have 2 discussions. You are going to read the assignment and what you will do on page 34. You are going to answer these questions in the comment box. Remember to check for spelling, punctuation, and for grammar. Your next async activity is on the same page. You are going to complete part 2A on page 34 and then 2B. Okay, so here is the reading. It goes from 34 to 35, and here is the audio. And then you are going to complete part B and take a picture and upload it in Schoology and click post. Your third activity is a vocabulary quiz. So you are going to match, and then you are going to do some definitions. All right, and some true or false. So remember, true, something that you cannot deny, something that is real, something that is a fact, and false, something that is not true or a lie. Okay, and that's it for today. Good luck.